Naruto Uzumaki, a youthful and passionate ninja, lived once upon a time in the secret hamlet of Konoha. Despite his playful disposition and a strong heart, fate seemed to deal him a bad hand. Naruto was an orphan who was shunned by the villagers for being the conduit of the strong nine-tailed fox spirit. Naruto longed for acceptance and a sense of belonging, but his destiny seemed set in stone. He was always alone, and many considered him a failure. However, deep down, Naruto knew he was destined for greatness. He dreamt of becoming the strongest ninja in the village, the Hokage, and earning the respect and love of everyone around him. One day, as Naruto was training by himself in the forest, he encountered an old hermit named Jiraiya. The hermit saw the fire burning in Naruto's eyes and recognized his potential. Jiraiya became Naruto's mentor, teaching him powerful techniques and valuable life lessons. With Jiraiya's guidance, Naruto learned that if he wanted to change his fate, he had to fight for it. He realized that complaining about his circumstances wouldn't lead to any improvement. Instead, he needed to take action and work hard to achieve his goals. As Naruto grew stronger, he faced various challenges and formidable enemies. Along the way, he made friends who saw him for who he truly was. Together with his comrades Sasuke, Sakura, and others, Naruto formed unbreakable bonds that transformed his life. Their support and belief in him gave him the strength to endure any hardship. The road to achieving his dream of becoming Hokage was tough, but Naruto never gave up. He faced obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt, but his unyielding spirit pushed him forward. He inspired others with his never-give-up attitude and determination, making them realize that they could also shape their destinies. In the end, Naruto's unwavering resolve touched the hearts of the villagers who once shunned him. He proved that he wasn't just the vessel of the nine-tailed fox. He was a hero in his own right. The same villagers who once scorned him now looked up to him with admiration and respect. The story of Naruto Uzumaki teaches us that we have the power to change our destinies, no matter how dire the circumstances may seem. Instead of accepting the hand fate has dealt us, we should strive to create a new one through hard work, perseverance, and the support of friends and loved ones. Naruto's journey is a reminder that we all have the potential for greatness within us. It's not about where we start, but about the choices we make and the actions we take to shape our future. We must embrace our strengths and weaknesses, learn from our mistakes, and keep moving forward, no matter how difficult the path may be. This story of Naruto Uzumaki is easy to understand and entertaining because it portrays a relatable character who faces adversity and emerges victorious through sheer determination and courage. It's a tale of growth, friendship, and the human spirit's indomitable nature. As we follow Naruto's journey, we are reminded that we too have the power to rewrite our own destinies. By fighting for a new hand, we can achieve our dreams and inspire others to do the same. So, let Naruto Uzumaki's story be a beacon of hope and motivation for all of us, encouraging us to never give up on ourselves and the power we hold within.